My warmest greetings to all my fellow alumni on our grand reunion and alumni homecoming for this year 2025. Today is the gathering of familiar faces, reconnecting with our classmates, rekindling the relationships with our long lost friends, reminiscing the past memories as a student, and building new memories. Likewise, today is the time to revisit our alma mater, the school where we belong, the school where all our dreams, ambitions, goals, and aspirations in life have started. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank St. Mary's High School Department for molding and nurturing us to become what we are today. My thanks and congratulations to the twin host, the Golden Jubilarian, Batch 1974, and Silver Jubilarian, Batch 1999. Thank you for your untiring effort for making this significant event successful. This is Attorney Larry Ruiz, a CPA lawyer, SMC Batch 1971. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.